Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Fearless Grammar. This is video 2 in a series on how to correct comma splices, and this one is going to be on fixing comma splices with subordination. But first, a little review. What is a comma splice? So now we just have to define what is subordination. So in the definition of the comma splice, it says it's two independent clauses put together with only a comma. But the question then becomes, what happens if you have a dependent clause and an independent clause? This, by the way, is called a complex sentence. So sometimes in grammar handbooks, when it's telling you, or something you see online, when it's telling you how to fix comma splices, one of the guidelines might say, make a complex sentence. That's the exact same thing we're doing here. I'm just referring to it as making subordination. In subordination, one part of the sentence is subordinate to the other, meaning that it's dependent on the other. That means one part of the sentence cannot stand alone and the other part does. So here, because I don't speak French is subordinate. It can't stand alone. If you had that and then you had a period, you'd have a sentence fragment. However, this might get awkward. Is grammatically a sentence. If you had just that and then a period, that would be a correct sentence. And so what you have here is you have a dependent clause at the beginning of the sentence and then you have an independent clause. Therefore, you don't have two independent clauses smashed together with a comma, and therefore this is a correct sentence.